Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking invoice using TallyDoc. TallyDoc is an easy to use invoice and estimate generator that anyone can use. If you'd like to create a free invoice, you can go to tallydoc.com and click the free builder link in the top navigation menu. That'll open up a form for you, and this is something that anyone can do right now. It's a free invoice maker for any one-offs that you might have. But in this video, we're going to create an invoice for landscaping services using an account we created in a previous video. So the first thing we'll want to do is log in by clicking the login button. And we've already logged in. So this is our company called Clean Landscapes. And the first thing we want to do to create an invoice is go to the invoices section by clicking the link on the left-hand side. And this is where you'll see all your previous invoices. For this, we'll want to click the new invoice button. And you'll see this form is very similar to the form to create estimates. Just a couple extra fields like the status. You can select a status for this invoice, such as paid, or a draft if you'd like to edit this later. Or in this case, it's just an open invoice that we're going to send to our customer. We call it Jane Thomas. For terms, we can put something like POD, pay on delivery, or net 30 if you want to have this invoice paid within 30 days, or you can just leave this as NA. For this invoice, we're going to base it on the estimate we created in the previous video. So this is for lawn mowing services and mulching. So we'll add our line items for lawn mowing. This is $50 a cut, and we did some edging and cleanup included in this. And we also want to add a line item for mulch. So we did mulching. This was 25 bucks an hour, 25 1 hour. And we're also going to charge for the supplies. In this case, the bags of mulch, which were $5 a bag for 10 bags. Line item note to describe this line item. Bags of mulch. No shipping for this because it's mainly a service we're providing. No tax necessary, and you can add some line item notes that says, you can put your payment information in here if you have a link to a PayPal or a Venmo account, or you can just say, please pay within 30 days. And if everything looks good, just click the save button. Oh, we didn't add a number for shipping. That's 0. Let's click the save button. And that's it. Our invoice is created. We can look at the details by clicking the magnifying glass. You'll see we now have an invoice number and a date. And everything looks okay. At this point, you can go ahead and send this to your customer by clicking the send email button. It'll send a link to this invoice, or you can open up a PDF version of this by clicking the PDF button. Here it is, and you can download this or print it, whatever you want to do. In this case, we're just going to leave it alone, and if you go back to the invoices section, you'll see that it's been added here as the third entry we have. And that's it. We've created a professional looking invoice for Jane Thomas for landscaping services provided. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.